Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to transfer contacts from old phone to new phone. So I'm going to show you the steps you have to follow to do that. So if you have a Google account on your old phone, just go to settings and then go to accounts and then Google. Ensure contacts option is enabled to sync your Google account and sign in to the same Google account and enable contact syncing in settings and then account and Google, and the contacts will automatically sync to your new phone. And the second one is exporting and importing as VCF file. So open the contacts app and look for an export or export to VCF option. This will save your contacts as a .vcf file and then transfer the VCF file. For that you can use Bluetooth, USB, or by saving it to a cloud service like Google Drive. And then open the contacts app and locate the import or import from the VCF option and select the VCF file. The third one you can try is using device-specific apps like Samsung Smart Switch. So Samsung Smart Switch app allows you to transfer contacts and other data wirelessly or via USB. Follow the app's instructions to transfer the data. And the fourth one is use Bluetooth or on your old phone, open the Contacts app, select the contacts you want to transfer and choose Share or Share via Bluetooth. And on your new phone, connect to your old phone via Bluetooth and follow the prompts to receive the contacts. And if you're using the Move to iOS app, Android to iPhone, install the Move to iOS app on your new phone or new iPhone and follow the app's instructions to transfer data including contacts. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just transfer contacts from your old phone to new phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll see you in the next